In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Hostinger hosting. By the end of this guide, you'll have your domain and hosting working together seamlessly, so you can get your website up and running in no time. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Namecheap account. Head over to the Namecheap website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you'll see a list of all your domains. Find the domain you want to connect to Hostinger and click on Manage next to it. This will open up the domain management page where you'll see options to change various settings. Next, look for the Name Servers section. This is where you'll connect your domain to Hostinger. Click on the drop-down menu and select Custom DNS. By selecting this, you're telling Namecheap that you want to set the domain's DNS settings manually. Now, you need to enter the name servers provided by Hostinger. These typically start with something like NS1 and NS2 followed by the Hostinger URL. You should have received these name servers in an email from Hostinger when you set up your account, or you can find them in your Hostinger dashboard. After entering the correct name servers, make sure to save your changes. It's important to note that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. It's usually anywhere from a few hours up to 48 hours, so don't be alarmed if your domain doesn't start working with your hosting immediately. Now, let's move on to your Hostinger account. Log into Hostinger and go to your hosting dashboard. From there, you'll want to find the option to add a new domain. This is often found under a section like Domains or Website. Click on it to start the process. Enter the same domain you're linking from Namecheap. Hostinger will verify the connection using the name servers we set earlier. Once the verification is successful, you can proceed to the control panel to manage your website settings. This is where you can set up your website files, databases, and other necessary configurations. Remember to check back in a few hours to see if DNS propagation is complete. You can test this by simply entering your domain into a web browser. If everything has been set up correctly, you should see your website or a default Hostinger page. Congratulations, you've successfully connected your Namecheap domain to your Hostinger hosting. This setup allows you to focus on building and customizing your website, knowing that your domain and hosting are working together perfectly. If you have any trouble along the way, both Namecheap and Hostinger offer robust customer support that you can reach out to. Happy website building!